Hi, I'm Josh.
And I'm Katie.
And we're San Diego Pools.
Today we are in North County at the One Oak development.
This development is on a hillside, and these estate-style homes take up most of the usable lot, making it hard to locate that perfect spot for the swimming pool.
When we end up building the swimming pool itself, it usually ends up being pretty small, so we do try to maximize every component of the pool itself.
Let's check it out. The clients preferred a standalone spa, so we are able to add an oversized Baja ledge area, big enough for 2 lounge chairs and an umbrella.
We maximize the space of this pool by using the curvature of the lot.
To create a resort-style ambiance, we added 3 custom Cascades on the back wall.
Our client chose an iridescent 1x1 glass tile to showcase every inch of this pool.
To complement the glass tile, the pool is finished in a dark pebble sheen surface.
Call us today for a free consultation.
I love my San Diego pool.